As any good nutrition coach knows, the key to a plan being effective for a client is not the plan itself, the starting point. It's the adjustments that are made over time with the objective data that you collect through your meetings and follow-ups with your client. So, you've just had a check-in and you've determined that you need to make a change. Evolution Nutrition makes this fast and easy to do. All you have to do is go to your client's plan and you can change things on an incremental level by meal, or as a whole, you can change serving sizes, delete items, add new items in, whatever you need to do to make a change to the plan. In this case, let's just say for myself, I'm going to remove the banana from this snack meal. Easy to do. All you have to do is just click remove it. And if I wanted to, let's just say, add in its place some strawberries, all I'll click is add food, type in strawberries, bring them up from my database, plug them in, add the serving size. In this case, I'll do 50 grams. Click save, and I'm done. Just like that, I was able to make the adjustment to my client's plan in a way that was time efficient and allows me to spend more time with the client actually being a better coach and less time trying to redo their plan.